Hey there, Facebook Live real estate friends and professionals. Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to shoot out a quick little real estate training tip. For those of you who may not be familiar with me, I'm Brian Moses, founder of Real Estate Training Breakthroughs, customized coaching and seminars, and I've been in the business a long time. I'm getting old, as you can see by the gray hairs, but I struggled early on, but managed to put some systems and processes in place and had some pretty decent success in my real estate career. And I saw on a real estate chat room or chat group or something on social media that this agent was asking for advice on how to get how to get prospects that come to your open house to sign in on the sign-in sheet. She had 3 open house attendees, prospects coming to the open house this past weekend, and all 3 of them wouldn't sign in and refused to sign in. So let's learn from that lesson. By the way, that happened to me too. I have a process that I want to share with you. What you want to do is you want to just introduce yourself. Hey, my name's Brian. What's your name? My name's Joe. Nice to meet you, Joe. Here's a feature sheet, and you hand them the feature sheet. Here's a feature sheet on the property. Feel free to take a look around. Would you do me a favor, Joe? Yeah, what's that? Let me know what feedback you have so I can share it with the sellers. Would you do that for me? Yep. So they go around, and my goal is to find out if they like the house or don't like the house, and to make a compelling offer so that Joe wants to give me his name and information. Asking a complete stranger for their name and phone number is a little forward, don't you think, if we were to really think about it? Like when you're young and single and you're meeting someone, do you go and ask them for their, hey, you're kind of good looking, can I have your phone number? That's asinine. You make an offer. So offer them the listing sheet, they'll take it, ask them for their feedback. When they come back, their feedback will either tell you they like the house or don't like the house. In most cases, guess what? They don't like the house. It's not a perfect match. So they tell you the rooms are too small, or they would do something different, or they don't like the countertops. Don't try to sell it. Well, you can replace the countertops. You can knock this wall down and make another bedroom. Folks, people aren't interested in that shit. So instead, listen to what they're telling you and then offer them other properties. In our world, we practice this script so it doesn't sound like a script. Hey, sounds like this property is not a good fit for you, but if I know what you're looking for, we can give you instant real-time access to all the properties that meet or exceed your criteria. We have this great buyer advantage program, and if we know what you're looking for, we can give you all the properties with interior, exterior photos, days on market, and other useful information. Would that be helpful, Joe? Prospect goes, yeah, that would be great. Well, I'm at the open house now. It ends at 1 or it ends at 2 or whatever time it ends. Could we get together after that, or would another day this week be good? And I'll get you all set up. We have access to bank foreclosures, corporate-owned properties, distressed sales, probates, sellers in trouble, recent price reductions. Hey there, Rich. Good to see you, buddy. My wife is watching. Hey, Janet. That's throwing me for a loop. Thanks, Janet. I'm trying to impact the lives of the real estate community out there, and my wife is stalking me. But in any event, at the open house, if you want to get their name and address, give them a reason to want to get your name and address. So now you offer them all the properties that match their criteria. Hey, Joe, how do I get in touch with you after the open house? Joe at yahoo.com. Great. Is there a cell phone number that I can text you if any great deals come up that match your criteria? Yep, it's 781-555-1212. Folks, it doesn't need to be adversarial. Real estate can be a lot of fun. What happens, though, is that we've been doing this for 200 years, and there's an old saying, 5% of the real estate agents sell 95% of the business. And the 95% of the real estate agents who are well-intended but struggling to make a living are doing it the wrong way, and they're contaminating the industry. So always take time to map out your process, your strategy before and in advance, and you'll absolutely murder it and crush it. So I hope that young lady who I saw the post about why aren't people signing into my open house, she'll take this advice. She'll never have that problem again. People will want to give her their information. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like more information on what we do or how we can help you, schedule a free strategy call with one of our success coaches. Just go to brianmosescall.com. We can help you specialize in working with buyers, improving your buyer department. We can help you in the listing department. We can help you generate quality leads. We'll help you increase your average sales price. There's no shortage of things we can be doing in the real estate business, but some things are much more powerful, more profitable than other things. So it's important to strategize and put them in order of importance. I hope this tip was helpful. You guys have a great day, and all of you that are tuning in, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.